ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? We're here with an unboxing video. It's a pretty simple one. I'm going to be having a look at the M1 V6.1, which went on pre-order, I think, a little bit earlier in the year. Don't really remember when exactly. But yeah, ordered mine. Took about 2 weeks to arrive, so we're just going to unbox this thing and see what's inside. So obviously here we have the box, and I've already just cut it. I haven't actually like opened the whole thing yet, so let's see. Nice foam packing. Yep, all good there. And let's just take this out. There we go. And get 2 boxes of accessories. We'll go through these one by one, of course. Let's just have a look at the case itself. Right there. Again with the foam packing. So we're just gonna slowly remove this. Toss that aside. Look, it's the case. Nice. So I got the black version. Wait, let's just get this all out of the way and then just put it down here for everybody to see. So I got the black version here. Perforated holes and everything. These should just pull off. Yeah, there you go. So this is the oh, okay. This is this side. And this is the motherboard side. So wait, hang on. Let me just get this right. Yeah, the motherboard goes here, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Ooh, careful with that. Yeah, motherboard goes on this side, as you guys can see. Grommets at the back, power supply, graphics card, and then we'll look on this side. We have the. This is the. What's the word I'm looking for? Dust filter. Yes, dust filter for the radiator. Magnetic. Oh, did not know that. There you go, magnetic. This can unscrew. So this is where you're supposed to mount. You can mount either a 240 radiator, or you can do a 120 and then a hard drive bracket on the other side. And of course we've got all of our cables here, USB 3, etc, etc. So that's all here, including USB-C out. Is that USB-C? Yes, that's USB-C. That's correct. Let's just put this back. It's just an unboxing video, guys. So let me just put that back. Stubborn. Okay. And anodized aluminium. All very, very nicely done. Everything just clips together really nicely, actually. First impressions are really good. Let's have a look at the front. Pretty basic stuff here. Let's just turn that around. There you go. There. The NCASE M1 logo right there with your USB-C and USB 3.0 out on the front, as well as your combined 3.5mm TRRS audio jack. Oh, something came out. What's this? It is a piece of paper. Okay, that's nice. And if we open up the top, there you go. Let's have a close look here. Center on the camera. SFX power supply. This is your hard drive cage, which is removable, of course. Your power supply cable that we saw just now. And yeah, pretty easy. You have a space for a slot loading drive should you desire it. Although, who uses CDs these days, right? And of course, this doesn't just go in either way. This has to go in the right way. Ta-da! Ooh. That is a very reassuring click. And we look underneath. We have another magnetic desk cover. This one is secured by screws, as you can see here. Surely this can be removed. So this can also support 2 120 fans or a single 240 radiator if you want to run a fully water cooled loop, which is what we're going to do with our system. So on and so forth. And rubber feet there. So that's the case itself. On to the next thing. Let's have a look at this. This is the accessory box. So you have box 1 and box 1 and box 2. Right. Yeah, I can see both. Box 1 and box 2. So let's have a look what's in box 1. Oh, okay. We have a PSU mounting screws. Right there. Let's just see whether I can get it. There you go. PSU mounting screws. You have fan screws, mixed in with a few other screws as well. Can't really see. Can you guys zoom in? Here. fan screws and a few other things as well, motherboards, whatever. And here we have more screws. It's Screw City, yeah. Okay, more screws, and then we have fan covers. I'm assuming these are like fan guards to make sure that you don't, stick your fingers into fans. Again, nothing major there. And in box number 2 we have, let's see, what's this? These are these like a rubber standoffs. Not to say standoffs, they're things that you mount, when you screw in your hard drives, so that they don't. Anti-vibration pads. Yes, that's the term for it. These little things, I'm not really sure what they are. Probably have to look at the manual for that. For this thing, can you guys see it? Yeah, good. More mounting brackets. I'm sure I'll find out what these are as I build. This is a replacement front panel. If you don't want any of the USB ports, you can change it out and put this one instead. This is the ATX power supply bracket. Just in case you don't have an SFX power supply, you can use this one instead. This is again probably part of the mounting brackets for the power supply. And last but not least, a series of mounting brackets as well. I'm assuming they're mounting brackets for whatever reason. So that's been the unboxing video, guys. There's not much else to add to that. Everything seemed to be fine, and yeah, so yeah, that's it. That's all there is to it. This is the NCASE M1 V6.1.